Hello students, so today I am going to explain you question number 5 from exercise 9.1. So the question is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. So whenever the height is given, you have to take the perpendicular height. So let us consider one kite. So this is a kite, isn't it? So this kite is flying at a height of 60 meter from the ground. So let us take this as BC with the ground level. So this AB as a height of kite from the ground, that is 60 meter. Next, the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. So the string which is attached to the kite, this is temporarily attached tied to the point on the ground, but we don't know where it is. The string is like this or in what direction it is. So we will see here whether it is inclined or it is straight. So the inclination of the string, so it has inclined, isn't it? So you can take inclination this side or this side you want. So it has inclined with the ground is 60 degrees. So the angle of inclination it is given what 60 degrees. So this string is inclined and it is tied with the any point on the ground. So the point we will take this first. We will take AB as height of kite from the ground, that is 60 meter. Then C is a point on the ground at which the string has been tied here. Here somewhere it is tied. So C is a point we have taken on the ground where the string is tied. So that AC is what? Length of the string. And the question is, find the length of string. So length of string is what? AC. Assuming that there is no slack in the string. So we have to assume that there is no slack in the string. So we have to find out the straight AC, that is what? Length of string. So that is question mark we have to find out. So now as we know there is formation of right angle triangle. Suppose there is right angle triangle and you know one of the side and one acute angle is given. Then using trigonometric ratios you can find out other two sides. Now AC we have to find out, that is hypotenuse, and we have here opposite. Opposite is given. So you have to choose such a trigonometric ratio where we have the opposite and hypotenuse. One side they should give, that ratio should include an unknown side. So opposite of hypotenuse, the ratio is what? Sin theta. So sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite is ours AB and hypotenuse is AC. So sin theta, theta is here 60 degree. AB we know that is 60 meter and AC we don't know, so we'll write as it is. So sin 60 degree you should know, that is root 3 by 2. So you should memorize all the ratio, all the angles, that is 0 to 90 for all the trigonometric ratios, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. These all ratios are very important. So sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2 equals to 60 upon AC. Now we know that these three things we know, and the fourth unknown AC we can find out. In order to find out AC, we have to bring this AC this side and root 3 by 2 that side. So 1 by 1 will bring into, this is divided by AC. So this will be multiplied by AC equals to 60. So we need to find out AC. AC and 60 will be as it is. Root 3 and divide by 2, we have to bring this side. So root 2, it will be into 2. Sorry, divide by 2 will be the into 2. Divide by into root 3 it is. So root 3 is multiplied here with AC. When we bring this side, it will get divide. That is 3. So as we know, we have to find out the answer till we get rational number in the denominator, or we should remove this irrational number from the denominator. So directly we cannot cancel this root 3. So we have to rationalize this. So 60 into 2 I will keep as it is. Root 3. To rationalize root 3, we have to remove this root sign. So we'll multiply this with root 3. Even here you have to multiply. 60 into 2 I'll keep as it is into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is just 3. So this 3 and 60 we can divide. 3 ones are 3 twos are 0 here. So 20 into 2, that is 40 into root 3 meter. This is what? AC. So AC is what? We have taken length of string. So if you want to find out the complete this root 3, you can find out by division method. You will get what? 1.732 you will get. So that 1.732 you can multiply with 40. But it is not asked to put the value of root 3, so you can keep this answer as it is. Therefore, length of string we have taken as AC, that is equals to 40 into root 3 meter. I hope you understood the explanation.